Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to talk about something that I feel as if will be very resourceful for you in terms of making decisions when it comes to your fitness and health, and that is the crystal ball method of making decisions. So basically, whenever you run into a situation where you need to make a quick decision or a more long-term decision, you can use this method to help you stay on track with what you're wanting to accomplish with your goals and your fitness program and with your health. So basically, what you do is you see the decision that you need to make, number one. And then after that, what you decide to do is you focus on what kind of an impact this decision is going to have on you a day from now, 1 week from now, a month from now, a year from now, 5 years from now. So the idea behind the crystal ball method of making decisions is you see what kind of impact the decision that you're currently trying to make is going to have on you long term. So you take you take a step back and you take more of a long-term view on the decision and what the effect is going to be a day from now, a week from now, a month from now, 1 year from now. So an example of a situation when you can use this method effectively is when you have a choice to make with your next meal. You got a friend who hit you up. That friend wants to go out and eat and wants to go somewhere that's going to break your diet. Small thing. And though, if you take this step back, you think about, okay, if I say yes to this person and I'm trying to lose like 15 pounds, let's say, I'm trying to lose 15 pounds. And I say yes to this person to go to this restaurant that's has no option in terms of me being able to stick with my diet if I go there. So in order to eat with my friend, I'm going to have to break my diet. What kind of impact is that going to have on me 24 hours from now, a day from now? Is it going to help with my goal of losing 15 pounds or not? And then if I keep making these kinds of decisions, saying yes to my friends who invite me out to eat, to places that are not aligned with my diet, what kind of impact is that going to have on me 1 week from now? Am I going to be getting closer and closer to my goal of losing 15 pounds? What kind of impact is it going to have on me 1 month from now? 1 month from now, am I going to be closer to my goal of being 50 pounds lighter or no? How about 1 year from now? You see, so you build a certain kind of perspective with this method, the crystal ball method of making decisions. And it can really help with making a decision that you may not necessarily feel like making, but you should make when it comes to goals that are important with you, like losing weight, getting stronger, getting more muscular, and being healthier overall, making healthier choices with your food, for example. And you can use this also with other areas of your life, but I just want to focus on when it comes to fitness and health, since this is a fitness and health channel primarily. So anyways, you can use this method countless times, and it's very effective. I wanted to make this a quick video because I didn't feel as if I need to go into too much depth. So again, the way you use this method is that you just see a decision you need to make, and then you take a step back and you think about it from a perspective of what your life is going to be like if you make this decision versus if you take the decision this route versus the other route, how your life is going to look like 1 day from now, 1 week from now, 1 month from now, 1 year from now. And that should help you a lot with making certain decisions that may be tough for you. So anyways, I hope you found this video to be resourceful. and I will see you all in the next video.